Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the workbook open, so start now. Verify the title bar says Compatibility Mode and note your Excel version. Once done, save a backup copy with a clear name because conversion changes file structure. You should also inspect key sheets for features like tables, macros, or legacy objects that may be impacted. Make sure to enable editing if the file is protected and close unrelated workbooks to reduce risk. This prepares you to convert confidently and prevents surprises during conversion. You're converting now, go to File, choose Save As, pick a modern format like XLSX for standard workbooks or XLSM if macros are present. After selecting the new format, read and accept any compatibility warnings. These explain what will change or be lost. If you see prompts about macros or active content, make sure Trust Center settings allow saving and prefer XLSM when macros must remain. Once saved, reopen the new file to confirm everything displays and functions as expected. You're finishing up. Inspect formulas, charts, pivot tables, and conditional formatting to ensure they survive the conversion. Once done, use File Info Check for issues, check compatibility to see remaining concerns and address them in place. If macros behave oddly, test them in a copy and adjust VBA references or Trust Center settings. Make sure to save the validated file under the new name, and if anything goes wrong, revert to the backup and repeat the conversion with adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.